Hi everyone, welcome to Startup Center's Visual Studios. We are the prime spot on campus for virtual and augmented reality. Today we will be going over Unity installation. Let's begin.
Hey guys, so I'll be walking you through how to install Unity. And so to start off with, just search Unity and I guess go to their official website. Go ahead and click the Get Started button you see. In this, you'll be able to view plans and pricing if you ever want to pay for the service, but you're an individual, so you can just go ahead and click student or personal. Being a student, you get more features for free, so go ahead and click that. But to be honest, we won't be signing up right now. Right now, you just want to finish the installation process. Signing up is pretty easy. Or you have two options. One is for sort of beginners. It installs some tutorials. You can go ahead and click that if you want to, but I prefer to just have complete control over what I download. You can obviously download the tutorials even through this window, so just accept it and download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is this new tool, I guess, main interface built by Unity, which really simplifies the process of installing Unity. Earlier, you would have to sort of like install Unity, different versions of it, and manage different SDKs. This Unity Hub tool just does it all for you. Just go ahead and scroll down, read it, because I mean, we are an official video, we're gonna say that, except choose the installation location, hit install. Unity Hub should be pretty quick to install. Again, it's just, I guess, this manager interface where you go ahead and download Unity from the Unity Hub. So this is not you actually downloading Unity, this is you downloading Unity Hub. So once you click that, go ahead and open it up. I guess it'll take a second to open up. I think it's also because I have so many things open. And so this is what I mean by the sort of great interface it provides. You have tab for projects, there for where you can download tutorials, and installs is where you add different versions of Unity. So go ahead and click add. You can before I go to that, I think locate is how you can sort of, if you already had a pre-installed version of Unity, you can identify that. Just choose the latest release, hit next. And this is what I really like about Unity Hub. It allows you to add modules. So I already have Microsoft Visual Studio Community installed, so I can just deselect that. I'll be developing mainly for Android since I use the S10, so I'm going to go ahead and check mark that. One thing I'll remind you to do is make sure you hit the arrow and check mark the OpenJDK and Android SDK within it. Those are tools which are essential to build for Android. You can scroll down and add other sort of builds if that's what you hope to build. I think quite a few of you might want to sort of download iOS support, so you can go ahead and do that. You can also download documentation. I personally just would like to view the online version, but if you are doing sort of offline development, you can do that. Go ahead and click next, accept the end user agreement, and that should start installation. I guess you will have a window which I guess starts command prompt if you are on Windows, so that's why that is not the black screen. That's just, I guess, the command prompt starting up. But you see, the installation has started, and now as you see here, we have Unity installation done. So you can go ahead and open it. Oh, sorry, you'll have to open a project. You can't open just Unity. Or so let's start a new project, and I'm just gonna make it 3D for now and make it test. Change the location if you wanna. I'm gonna change the location to downloads because this is a temporary project and hit create. So that should launch you with the only version of Unity you have installed. If you have multiple versions, you can obviously choose which version you want to launch with. And there you see Unity starts the initializing process. It adds some basic packages, and hopefully within a minute it should launch. Again, since it does import some packages and this is sort of your first time doing it, you might have to download some content, which is why it could take a bit longer, but usually once you have all the content downloaded, it should open quite a bit faster. But yeah, also keep in mind that this is a very, I guess, heavy program, which is like pretty much used by like any expert game developer in the works. It could take a bit, and well, when you have 1,000 things, that doesn't help either. And yeah, I just had to close up a few tabs, but as you see, Unity has now launched.
And that concludes our installation video. Thank you guys for coming. Stay tuned for our future videos and workshops.